This e-course aims to train professionals working in formal and informal educational settings on how to support young people in the safe use of the internet in order to prevent the occurrence of episodes of cyberbullying, with a focus on people from LGBTQ+ backgrounds. Emphasis is given on the use of restorative justice and human rights in preventing and restoring harm resulting from cyberbullying. This e-course is part of the Erasmus Plus funded project promoting a safe use of Internet against cyberbullying, SIAC. The project is coordinated by the RJ4All International Institute and is delivered in partnership with 4 European partners. Successful completion will lead to CPD certificate. The e-course takes approximately 10 non-stop hours to fully complete all modules and take the test. There are further reading material that are recommended for additional learning. These could add a further 12 hours of non-stop duration. The e-course is supported with an evidence-free handbook, Preventing Cyberbullying Towards LGBTQ+ Groups, a training handbook for youth workers. Target groups of the e-course are professionals and volunteers, professionals working in youth organizations and community centers, practitioners working in the crime prevention area, youth workers, youth educators and trainers, young people and parents. By the end of the e-course, the following learning outcomes should have been achieved. Increase knowledge of restorative justice and human rights, and how they can be used as tool to prevent and heal harm resulting from cyberbullying. Create new skills in professionals that will enable them to support young people in identifying and reporting cyberbullying. To increase the knowledge of educators in helping young people understand the extent, seriousness, and dynamics of cyberbullying and cyberbullying towards LGBTQ groups. To learn about new, effective strategies for controlling bullying. To capacity build professionals in helping young people recognize and respond early and effectively to behaviors that can lead to cyberbullying, with an emphasis on LGBTQ+ groups.